Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert page number in Excel. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from Excel I have a lot of data will be added over here. So if I want to make this one as a PDF or this one as a print, means I need to insert the page number. So if I go to Control P for the print option, automatically the print preview will be open here. So I could see that page number. So how to insert the page number, so how to add the page number with this Excel sheet. So just close this option. So on top you will find option called menu bar over here. So just go to page layout. Once you go to page layout, there will be a page setup option will be there. So whether you want to have a orientation for the landscape or portrait print, and you want to make a size, everything will be there. So here there will be a small icons will be given over here. Just hit the button. The button will be open here for the page setup. So here there will be a header and footer will be there. Just hit the button header and footer. So where you want to insert the page number, for example, I want to insert the page number in my footer. So just choose the footer and there will be a none option is there. Just hit the button none and page one off. So or page number or sheet or anything else you can give, and confidential, date and page number you can give whatever you want. I just click here for page one off, how much is there. So just click there and you different odd pages or different first pages you can use. So just hit the button for the print preview and you can check it out. Page one of three, it's totally 3 pages are there. So just hit the button and you can identify how many pages are there, how many pages we insert over here. So it will be displayed over here. So this is a beautiful option over here, so I can able to see entire things. But the one thing, the page number insert successfully, but I want to give an entire print to the single page. So one more tips given to this video. So I just want to print entire page into single page. What I have to do here, so just select data, whatever data you want. So just select the data. So this is the data I want to print in entire pages over there. So I just select the pages. So this is the data I want. Here there will be a page layout and you can select a print area. Just hit the button print area, set print area. While you select the area and set print area, you can give automatically, it will fix the print area over here. So just go to file and go to print and you can see the print preview. So again it will be in a 2 pages, so I can't able to shrink into 1 page. What I have to do here, so just go back and just go to print area. Already set the print area. Here there will be a width and height will be there. So just select the width automatically into 1 page and height automatically into 1 page. If you give means automatic, the scale will be in 53, automatically everything will be set into single page. Just click here file and go to print option to check it out. Entire page will be in a single page and you will find your page number as well. So this is a beautiful option. Use this option. You can set your entire things into single page and you can insert your page number. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.